Hi there, how are you? Hope you're all fine. And today we're going to be speaking about IELTS writing task 1 of academic writing paper. So here is for you. As we know, every task consists of some data expressed in the form of a graph, chart, or a table, and the candidate should describe in a style, let's say, appropriate for a tutor or examiner. And this should, let's say, be at least 150 words, and that the candidate should spend about 20 minutes on it. So let's get started. As you can see on the board, we have a table, the information by selecting and reporting main features and making comparisons where necessary. And as we know, every writing task starts with introduction part. So here we try to include introduction, and I just wrote down the main part of introduction. As we know, it's all about paraphrase. So as we know, we have different types of paraphrase. For IELTS, we don't have to paraphrase every single word. So, and if the table is table, the chart is chart, so you don't need to paraphrase everything. So that's not a good idea. So, and so what here we want to now keep this the same, and I would like to change this one, show the results of the survey with the word compares, as you can see here. And then what we have to do, we just try to give a different synonym. And to achieve at a high band score in IELTS test, it's very important that you show a range of vocabulary and some grammar structures, and use them appropriately. Longer set of words, try to reduce them the number of words. And in this case, I wrote down what members of a city sport club think. I would write with and opinions, so, or let's say views. And then we continue. So we have already paraphrased compares and opinions here, and then we don't want to stop and to keep the other words. We still want to continue paraphrasing. And as you can see here, we have a long set of words again. So we have activities, facilities, and opening hours, which we already which we also can replace by some other let's say relevant word. In this case, I would suggest that you use the word services. So let's take a look at our paraphrases again. So the table compares opinions of female and male members about services. And here we also forgot about what we haven't used yet and paraphrased the words. This word, the city sport club, and I would then say provided by this, a city sport club. So again, let's come back to our paraphrase. The table compares opinions of female and male members about services provided by City Sport Club. So that's very good paraphrase, and I suggest that you don't have to paraphrase every single word. Let's say there are some words which are